The other feature, other standout feature from the phone portion of today's event, something called Hold for Me, which I guess this is the first time they show this off. They're always doing intuitive things with the assistant.
Yes.
And this is kind of in line with, you remember they demoed a while ago, assistant making appointments for you and things like that. This is if you call a 1-800 number, let's say you call because you have a problem with, I don't know, your internet at home. Yeah. And you call and they immediately put you on hold. And it's very annoying. And they immediately hit you with the music. And it's very annoying. Mm-hmm. And you're sitting there thinking, okay, I'll just put the volume up and I'll hopefully walk around and get something done. But even that's annoying.
Yeah, the music is the big one.
Yeah, and it's scratchy and it's low quality because of the way it's coming through. And anyway, so this Hold for Me means that assistant will, in those circumstances, it will do the job of being on hold like a person, so you don't have to sit there and listen to the music and keep it on speakerphone. And then what it will do is it will notify you. The way that it will notify you is with a sound vibration and a notification on the screen as soon as a representative a human being has started talking on the other end. Now, since you're not going to get there right away, assistant will then tell that person to hold because you're on your way.
Put elevator music for them.
How about you hold now?
Yeah.
You got to love it, man. You get to flip the switch.
Yeah.
I just waited for, and you take your time. You take a minute to get over there. They'll definitely hang up, so don't do that. But you're going to have to get there pretty quick.
Mouse.
But it's kind of cool. And certainly these are the type of areas where I love when you start thinking about a digital assistant.
Yes.
They made all kinds of promises, but this is a real way. I don't want to sit there at that moment. And if I have something smart enough that can do it for me, perfect. Mm-hmm. I can go do something I need to get done. Mm-hmm. You go clean up or, just carry on with my day. So it's kind of like call screening. They're always introducing features like this. And this one is going to become widely available as well. So
great.
I would expect to see it on devices outside of the Pixel 5 and 4a, but it's currently available as a preview feature in the US for those devices. But hopefully, like the last feature with the extreme battery saving, it will come to older Pixels as well. And you can see as well, it will give you the captions. You will see the captions of what's being said. If you prefer, again, to not have the volume, you can read if there's an update. See that music playing, your call is important to us. You don't even need to just turn the assistant on as soon as you hit the 1-800 and don't even worry about it. You love it, Will.
Yeah, it's great.
Will loves these type of features.
Screen call.